towards your living and the dining area. So if you are the one who your spacious kitchen area where you can check the interior work done, spacious and beautiful master bedroom, the uniqueness. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at the Earthscape, which is located in Gunjur, Sarjapur, South Bangalore, a project developed by Bricks and Milestone Projects LLP. And today we are here to check out their 3 BHK premium model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So we are here just in front of the marketing office, and this is the marketing office of this beautiful project. And now about the land parcel is just behind this marketing office over here where the construction work is going on. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview with the help of this beautiful miniature. So the project is spread across 22.3 acres of land parcel consisting of 6 towers in all. So here all the towers will be 2 basement ground plus 26 floors having 3 BHK, 3 BHK premium and 3.5 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provide you world-class amenities like of, here's the 95,000 square feet of grand clubhouse with the deck area, the basketball court, football ground, multi-purpose court, here's a walking track, the water bodies, garden area, skywalk and many more amenities. Now about the location part, and the project is located on Gunjur, Doddakanahalli in Gunjur, Sarjapur, South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhoods of the project, and this is the Gunjur Doddakanahalli road. And basically, this road on my left hand side will connect you towards Vartur. And now about the other connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Wipro Kodeti in just 4 kilometers from the project, and Sarjapur Marathalli road is just 3.9 kilometers from the location. So this is your 3 BHK premium model flat of 2090 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at it. So here's the main entrance of your beautiful house. So they are providing with a digital door lock. And once you enter, here's your foyer area for your privacy. And now, from this foyer area, you can walk towards your living and the dining area. So if you are the one who is looking for the house with natural light and natural ventilation, that this is the best place. So you can have a look. Here's a full window for ventilation and lighting purpose in your living area and even the dining area. So basically, even there's a deck area which is attached to your dining area. So the plus point for your deck area is the anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this is double heighted deck area which has a 2 axis. So here's a 2 axis for your deck area, one from your passage and one from your living and the dining area. So basically with the easy access to your kitchen area, they have provided a dining area right in front of the kitchen area with an open kitchen concept over here. And here's your spacious kitchen area where you can check the interior work done for your reference with the L-shaped platforms, the cabinets, this is the utility area, that is a drying balcony which is attached to your kitchen area with anti-skid flooring and provision for your machines. And even it has an iron railing as well. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom space. So your 2 bedrooms are on this side of the house. Before moving towards the bedroom, here's your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And exactly beside this common washroom, here's your bedroom number 1. Basically your kids' bedroom. So you can check out how beautiful this bedroom is with a large window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and you can check out how beautifully this room is and full with the lighting. Here they have added up a study table. Here's a wardrobe space. And now let's move further towards your next bedroom. So exactly beside this bedroom is your bedroom number 2 with the walk-in foyer area. And once you enter from this foyer area, here's your bedroom space with a huge bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, TV unit space over here, and the wardrobe space. The huge wardrobe area, and even this bedroom has attached washroom as well, which is right here with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom. But before that, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features on the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. So the master bedroom is on the other side of the house, so you need to walk from your living and dining area, and before entering, here's your corridor area. So you can add up your own space in this area. And now this side is your master bedroom. So your spacious and beautiful master bedroom. The uniqueness is the wooden finishing flooring. Here's the bed space where you can add up your huge bed. And the best part is the balcony. So here is the balcony. Even the deck area attached to your bedroom, the master bedroom, with anti-skid tiles, which gives you 3-side open view and iron railing as well. Now here's a TV unit space as well. One more part, so one more best thing is the walk-in wardrobe. So here's the walk-in wardrobe where you can add up your closets, your dressing area, which is attached to the washroom as well, with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now you all know, as we are here in Sarjapur location, have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.